angiphumele bakithi angiphumele nje angiphumele ahamba emntwini wakhe since yena unomuntu ngicela ahambe Thandeni ngicela ungiphumele bakithi afune yo roses mina ngithi ngicela uphume uhambe uphume uphele empilweni yami wena uqonyiwe mina ngisakhona empilweni yakho iqhaza ukuthini lento leyo awungihloniphi because I'm in love with my new hair like I'm so in love my friends say oh you've never done color before I just don't care I wanted to try something out Because I'm so I'm thinking ben ngifike kuqala sukudakela hayi mina ngifike kuqala mina lo muntu onaye ngizomthuma uphuthu I'll drive there to Durban njengamanje I don't think so. I don't think so, but I just wanted to try it out. I don't think that it's a good vibe for me. And I don't know what the weather's doing because you're saying that because you want to be nice. Yeah, earlier it was a bit cold. I need to go grab buy some food stuff. Hey, you don't want to see what's under my hair right now, so I'm going bald isn't even an option. So no, guys. Now I'm not afraid to show off like how I look, but let's stay classy, cause y'all don't want someone bald on the net. Change the song because I put it on repeat.
The truth will set you free, but first it'll piss you off.
Hey. app for Instagram. If there's something, I remember they once posted me in some page, you know, those gossip page. My girlfriend sent me that to show me, hey, look at what they've done. Like, I do not have Instagram. I'm very tall. I'm not wearing heels, guys. I'm wearing flats. Hey, the dance that I'm doing underneath. I'm 176. 176 centimeters. Tomorrow I'm going to do my hair. Can't wait. Whatever's playing nonsense. We get so excited. I'm very excited. I mean, especially when you're done and you're gonna have to come like take new videos and new pictures. You get so excited. For me, it's the most happiest time of my day. If I have to go do my hair, my nails, and everything, I get so excited. Like, it's just like the best excitement ever. I think I'm gonna remove these earrings. They are not doing the things. They are not acting right. My partner texted me good morning and I haven't responded. I'm a bad girlfriend. A bad girlfriend. I've got hair in my front. I'm still gonna answer him. I go, one have never seen me with your nails in. No, I removed my nails yesterday because I have an appointment due, guys. These are my nails in real life, and I eat my nails. That's not on, so I wouldn't want to show you guys right here. My nails are very bad. if I bite them sometimes. So I have my nail appointment set up soon. So I removed them yesterday because guys, it was now painful. It wasn't breaking, it was breaking on the other side, not on the front but on the other side. So I would get stuck with stuff which is not good, so I don't mind. I don't mind waiting, because I don't do my nails. I don't pay for my nails. This guy does it for me for free. The guy that I do my nails at, he just does it for me for free. So yeah, I'll wait on him. I'll wait until because it is quite far from where I am right now. So. Awang na basing lima drugs siya. No, ang baso. Thank you. Guys, I keep checking my phone. Not finding what I want. Guys, I am making. I don't understand. Do you always expect me to be cussing and cursing at everybody right here? Cause I'm in a good mood. Y'all just have to be happy with me. Come on now. Don't be a hater. Be happy. Be happy. Be happy for me, yeah. No, but straight hair is not my favorite hair. If hair has to be straight for me, I think it has to be long. I think it has to be short, sorry. To cover up because I don't think the weather's gonna change, so I have to cover up and put something on top. Let me see. Change the whole outfit, and wear something else because Guys, it's not a joke. Outside it's very, very cold. It's better to cover up, guys. I'm so sorry. Guys, thank you so much for joining my live. I'm gonna love it with you guys because we are not communicating. But hopefully, maybe when it's like on a weekend, then I can come on the live, because during weekdays we're all just like, you know, we're all just right here and, you know, bored. So I'm gonna